it might be a little hard to see. It kind of matches with the blouse, but it is a swallow carrying a branch, and it was a gift from Perry. Now, swallows are symbolisms of love, hope, and faith. They are also a symbol of homecoming because swallows have an innate ability to return to the same nest year after year after year. So I do love this pen. It is beautiful, and I love the meaning behind it. So let me ask you a question. Have you been watching the Big Bear Eagles videos? The ones of Shadow and Jackie and their two eaglets, Sunny and Gizmo? I am addicted to it. And I think that this swallow reminds me of them. Those eagles come back to the same nest year after year after year to replenish the breed and give us these beautiful eaglets. Now, these eaglets are flying on their own. Sunny has already fledged, but has come back to check on Gizmo, and Gizmo is working her way up. I will tell you that I just love this. And today, as I was sitting drinking my coffee and feeling a little sorry for myself, I looked out of my living room window to the upper ledge of my pond, and I saw cardinals and sparrows, and there's one other kind, but I can't remember. They were bathing in the upper level of the pond. It was beautiful. And hearing them sing each and every time I go outside brings me a sense of peace. So I'm honoring all of the birds today. Thank you for what you give to my life. Have a wonderful